Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable customer completed order email for free order in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to disable completed order email for free order like online course membership. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see add filter, WooCommerce email, customer completed order, and then you see disable customer order email if free, and then you see float 0.00 price. If order price is 0, then disable customer completed order email. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.